word and welcome to the best tools and practices in Xamarin Forms. This is just the first intro video to get you started in this course. First, I'm going to tell you what equipment I use for development. To tell the truth, I started only with a laptop because it's totally enough for Android and Windows development. But if you want something better, you should get a screen also. That size should be at least 21 inches because you can see the code much better and you are going to have much more space to work. iOS is a bit different. You need a macOS to compile the code to iPhone or iPad. You may try to build a Hackintosh to save money, but I more recommend to buy a Mac Mini. That's the cheapest Apple available anywhere that you can get, and you just have to switch it on and everything works. It's more reliable than building a special PC, and in the end it doesn't even work because something is wrong with the BIOS. I don't wish to see you what I saw. Also, the Mac Mini works with any mouse, but I recommend you to buy a Mac keyboard because its layout is different from what you got used to in PC.